The dark loss. Big Island of Hawaii. We got one more. One more bird. Look at that one. Nice pied. There we go. One more. One more. There we go. Look like one that we inbreed. Yeah. Look like one that we inbreed. Haven't even spot them. We got one more. 14 more to go. 13 was on the race team. We had 68 though. No, we took the jump. 3 miles. We don't mess around. Let me see which leg it's on. Nice, nice. Right there. What leg, Hammy? Right leg. This was one that we bred. Right here. 33, 35, I think. 335. Nice, nice. Nice, good job, good job. So I'll go put this one in. Come on. Like I say, kind of hyper yet.
Yeah, I can see on the neck.
Might even decide for going in the cage. Look at that, he thinking, yeah? They're all coming back from the spot, so straight line. Like Roger told us, sometimes you go to 1 mile, they pass the loft. So, you know, this one looked like it was flying hard though. So that was some good exercise. He's on big one. He's on Mike Meyer Piccolo 2. Piccolo 2 is on Big Bird, that cock that Hammy and pick out for the breeding team. Right there. First one back. First one back right there, baby. First one back and in the loft, baby. Well, second one back, first in the loft. There it is. He was the first back, but he's still out. That's all right. The dark loss. Big Island of Hawaii. Oh, yeah. Boom.